have something I need to say. I need to get this off my chest. Let's go for a ride and we can talk about it.
All right, guys. So I've been making YouTube videos for 1 year now. I believe it was June 12th. I released the first video when I picked up the R1. And man, has it been a journey. It's been a learning journey of discovering something that I've 100% never done before. Video editing, film, shorts on Instagram, all that kind of stuff. I'd never done any of it. And I really just have to say thank you. Thank you to all the people out there who have watched the videos. I still can't believe it. Like, honestly, it's still humbling to me that people actually go back and watch each of these videos. And I know that the same people have been watching the different videos just because of the comments, the likes, the subscribes. I definitely still see all of that stuff. And honestly, can't believe it. My goal was simply to upload one video a week for 1 year. And I didn't quite get all of the 52 videos. I did have like a week or two where I did not get a new video, but I did a hell of a lot better than I thought I did. And I've actually made a lot of progress in terms of the quality, in terms of the delivery, in terms of how I talk, how I feel in each of these videos. And it's still pretty surprising to me whenever somebody actually takes an action or does something and asks a question. Like, I know for a fact that there have been several people that have bought a motorcycle because of information that I've given on the bikes that I've talked about, whether that be the CF Moto, the Indian stuff, the R7. I've had a bunch of different people tell me that they've taken my videos and made a choice and made a decision and got on two wheels because of these videos. And that is something that I didn't expect. I know it happens from a me watching a video perspective, because obviously when I'm looking to buy something, I watch other people's videos. But the fact that someone's watching my video kind of makes it real and interesting. I didn't expect it to happen that fast. And I 100% know that there are other channels out there that have grown faster, have done whatever, but like, I'm not here to compare myself with anybody else. I beat my own expectations. I didn't think that I was going to make it this far in terms of actually consistently uploading videos, and 100% I've done it and I've achieved it. And there's a few of you out there that actually enjoy watching these videos. So to you, thank you. I'm going to continue making videos for you guys, to all the newcomers that are to come in the future. I'm definitely not going to stop. I enjoy doing this. My goal is just to do this as a hobby, to have something else to do on the side, but I genuinely enjoy this, man. If I can find a way to keep this going and grow the channel to where I don't have to do something else, I will personally be 100% satisfied. I love riding motorcycles. I've been riding them for 7 years. I've ridden more motorcycles this year than I have in the entire rest of my life, obviously. But if I can continue doing it, keep on providing value, that would be awesome. So I do want to take a special moment to thank a special few individuals who have helped make all of these videos possible, because 100% I wouldn't have been able to do all of it without motorcycles, other people's motorcycles. A lot of these bikes have not been mine. I have a few bikes, but not every single one of them. So I couldn't have made all of these videos without other people trusting me with their bikes and, you know, wanting to experience the ones that I have, that I've offered up. So special thanks to you, Eric, for helping me make that video with the Road Glide. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to run your bike and kind of push the beans out of it. Special thanks to Das for hooking me up with the connections over there at Whole Shot and being able to give me the opportunity to bring you guys all of the Indian videos, and also for me to ride an Indian for the first time, because before I wrote that Scout, I actually had never ridden an Indian before, and it really impressed me, comparatively speaking, to the other cruisers that I've ridden, because my experience comes from Hondas. That's the bike that I prefer. That's my preferred brand, and it's always been. And I don't know if that's the case anymore, man. I really don't. That's what it's been traditionally. My first two bikes were Hondas. I love the V4s. I still love V4s. I have the Sportster, so definitely a fan of Harley to an extent. But experiencing more motorcycles, experiencing more different riding, just opens you up to the possibilities of what's out there. And I still encourage each and every single one of you to go ride a bike that you haven't ridden, because it'll open up your eyes to compare different things and get different types of experiences like it has for me. So thank you, Das, for that opportunity. Still shout out to Whole Shot Power Sports for allowing Das to give me that opportunity. I also want to thank Isaiah, Mason, Big Dave, all of you guys for having nice conversations with me, always treating me out and helping me out with the other videos that I've made, and I know there's more to come. So definitely shout out to all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you, Josh, for letting me ride the Rebel 300. Shout out to my man Mac with the ZX14. We still need to go out. I still need to do the review on the ZX14, but we ran the ZX14 and the ZX6. Appreciate that. Demetrius, thank you for letting me ride the R7, man. That shit was beautiful. I definitely enjoyed that bike and it really surprised me. Thank you. Mike, my man, thank you for letting me ride the Duck, the first Ducati I've ever ridden. I know you got to ride the R1, but that was still fun. And I'm still waiting on that Triumph, man. I have not forgot. I haven't ridden a triple before, so that's definitely something I still want to do. Hit me up. I am definitely down to go ride that if that is still an option and that bike is definitely still around to ride. I will definitely take you up on that offer. David, my man, for letting me ride that CF Moto, bro. That is probably the most impressed I've been given the expectations that I've had on a bike. And strangely enough, that's actually my best performing video. If you guys haven't seen it, please check it out below. That seems to be one of the more popular bikes that people have the most questions about because it's new to market. It's a Chinese bike, but 100% breaks expectations. It is a good quality bike. I believe he sold it or was trying to sell it, but either way, thank you, David. I appreciate that, my man. Also, shout out to a personal friend of mine. I've known this guy since, shit, probably middle school, man. I believe it was middle school. Eric, he helped me out on a couple videos going out on a ride when we were running this thing in the ZX6. So I really do appreciate you coming out and riding. We still got to hook back up and go out for some more rides. I got some cool video ideas that I need some more people definitely to ride motorcycles. So I appreciate you helping me on that. I know you'll get your own twos very soon. We can definitely go out for a ride, man. I'm still open for it. Also, another personal friend following up, my man Belvin, always being down to run. He's helped me on a few different videos, and we went out for a ride. He got to ride the ZX6 as his first 600, ended up buying a 600, and then helping me out by riding different motorcycles in different vehicles. Following that up, Chris, thank you for letting me ride your 750, buddy. I appreciate you letting me borrow that bike. It was awesome. Also, shout out to my man Jeremy for taking the R1s out for a rip. We still need to go back and make another one. I need you and Marlon to get on the same page and fix your tires so we can definitely make that happen. Sure, my man. Also got to pop his 600 Cherry. Let me ride that Harley Davidson Street 500. Awesome beginner bike. Appreciate you, brother. Also, cannot forget my man Trevor with the MT-07. Let me ride the MT-07, and also doing a couple different videos over a couple of different topics, man. That was the first like 3,000 view video. That was definitely popping. It's definitely changed since then, but I greatly appreciate you. Hope your recovery going well. Hope to see you back on two wheels soon, brother. Thank you. And also special shout out to my man Colt, very first gentleman that let me ride his bike. Ninja 650. That was fun. It was a shitty day. It was raining. Rain got in the camera, so I lost most of the footage. Welcome to making videos. It is what it is. I still enjoyed it. Still enjoyed the opportunity. I made a absolutely terrible video compared to what I create now. But again, that is part of the learning process, and that is part of the journey in my first year of creating motorcycle videos on YouTube, man. So special shout out to each and every single one of you guys. Seriously, I 100% could not have made any of these videos if it was not for you guys helping me out, going out for a ride. If you guys happen to live in Northeast Florida, give me a shout, man. Hit me up on Instagram right here down below. I'm open to ride. I have the Sportster S, I have a ZX6, and I have an R1. What I've been doing is letting people ride these bikes and riding someone else's bike. So if you haven't experienced an older bike or your first 600 and you have something else that you want to ride, hit me up. We can go out and make some content just like I have in these other videos. Also, if you guys are just open to let me ride some bikes and you happen to live in Northeast Florida, I am also down for it. We can go down for a ride. I can pick up the bike. I'm looking to ride as much as humanly possible. So if you want to see a video on your bike, get my thoughts, my inputs on what type of bike you have, on whatever bike you have, I'm down. I'm completely unbiased, man. Obviously, you guys have seen I've ridden everything from baggers, cruisers, sport bikes, hyper sports. I love riding and I enjoy each and every single one of them. I mean, my personal stable, I got 1,000, a 600, 2 different cruisers, and like a dad touring bike. So 100% I am open to ride a bunch of different bikes, and I ride for the love of riding. So, and going fast. Oh man, so thank you to each and every single one of you guys. It would not have been possible without you. That is year 1 on creating some motorcycle content on YouTube. I greatly appreciate it. As soon as I get some, you know, get those views up, get those sub counts up, and start getting some extra cash, I may be able to dedicate some extra time and make more than one video a week. Hopefully make 2. I'm a human. I'm a person. Hit me up. Regardless, even if it's not to ride your bike, hit me up on Instagram. Just say hello, show me your thoughts, opinions, anything that you want to see. I'm definitely open to more ideas and creating more content. I have a kind of video series that I've been working on for a little while in terms of planning it out in the Noggin region, that I was actually waiting to be monetized so that I could go ahead and release this, because I think it's going to be very helpful to new riders and people starting on a new experience on 2 wheels. So stay tuned for that. Definitely, if you have any questions about the new Scout lineup, as soon as it comes out, DOS, whole shot, we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna give you as much information as humanly possible on this new bike, because I rode the Bobber, and as you guys know, I lost the footage, but man, that bike is a beast. It definitely is gonna offer the best of both worlds in terms of performance, speed-wise, comfort, and ease of handling. So I really do think that that bike is going to be a heavy hitter, the same way that the previous Scout generations have been, but this one definitely is going to take it up to another level. It's going to be another notch. So I'm excited to make those videos. If you guys have any questions about them, leave it in the comment below, because I'll get those comments before I make those videos. So that's it, man. I got it off my chest. I just want to say super duper thank you to each and every single one of you. I greatly appreciate it. Look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to meeting some of you guys in the future and making more content. Peace.
Also, just in case I didn't do a good enough job, thank you. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you.